Hi guys, okay, today we are going to be unboxing my BoxyCharm. Now, this box is huge. This is the BoxyCharm Luxe. It is $49.99 every 4 months. So it's a quarterly box, and you're supposed to get around 11 products. I have no idea. I'm super excited. I love this box, and let's just jump right into it. I got my coffee, and I am ready to go. Okay, so I did cut it open just to make my life a little easier. I open it up and it says BoxyCharm Hello Charmer. And then I open it up and this is what it looks like. We have a card and it says BoxyCharm Whimsy, which is the theme for all boxes this month. And I got variation 18. And it does tell you everything in here and a retail value, so we will get to that when I need to. But let's just pull out the first thing I see, which is INN, or In Beauty Project Power Up Dual Face Setting Mist. Helps to set, makeup, energize, and revive skin. Filters away dull, tired, and stressed out complexion. It's glow, hydrate, energize. Use under makeup to prep skin or over makeup to set your looks throughout the day to refresh tired skin. And it's going to help even out complexion. It has aloe, which hydrates, witch hazel, which clarifies, electrolytes, which energize. Okay, and it's formulated with our Even Out complex, which helps even your complexion no matter your tone. Okay, I love a good setting spray. Love, love, love a good spray. So I'm super, super excited about this, and it's a super cool color. It's like a teal, super pretty. I'm excited about that. Let's see how much that retails for. In Beauty Power Up Dual Face Setting Face Mist. $32 for a brand I've never ever heard of, and a setting spray that you get 3.4 fluid ounces. $32. Are you kidding me? That's a little crazy, but I'm excited to have gotten it. Let's pull out the next thing, which is, oh, I just dropped it. This is by Ciate London. Okay, it's a brand I've heard of. This is the Confetti Highlighter Warm Glow Highlighter. Okay, and my regular BoxyCharm, if you guys have not seen that, I did get a blush by Ciate London, so let's open this up. So it's the same packaging as the blush I got, and this is in the shade Confetti. So it's got a little mirror, and that's the shade. We will do a swatch. Very, very pretty. I love like the, oh man. So it's a little dark for my skin tone. I could use that, yeah, no, that's just a little dark. I'm a little pale. That's just not gonna work for me, but that's okay. And that retails for $32. It says, achieving a sun-kissed glow with Ciate London's Confetti Highlighter, featuring a mix of shades that have been carefully pressed together for a radiant highlight in one sweep. It is a really, really pretty highlighter. It's just a little too dark for my skin tone. And next we have, oh, okay, this is a Too Faced Melted Metallic. Dang it, I thought it was a melted matte. It's a melted metallic, but it looks to be in a pretty shade. It's in Pillow Talk. Let's open this up, and if it's the shade on the package, I'll still wear it. I'm not a big fan of metallics, oh yeah, but this is such a pretty shade. Let's open this up. Oh yeah, I will definitely get some use out of this. It's not a crazy metallic. It's not like a crazy bright shade with a lot of shimmer and metallic like flecks in it. This is just a nude, like a light shimmer nude. So pretty. And it says it's matte, so we'll see if it dries down. I'm super excited about that. I love the Too Faced formula, and I don't think I've ever tried one of their matte metallics, is what it says. Now, I've never tried it, but let's see what this says on the side. It says, our metallic matte liquid lipstick drenches lips in a rich brushed metal finish. The velvety matte formula offers a lusciously plush wear in a dimensional matte effect. Okay, this says the Too Faced Melted Matte, and it retails for $21, which is, I mean, it's Too Faced. That's what they retail for. And next we have this Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. Okay, I'm excited about this. I love water creams. I love this packaging too. We've gotten a few things from Saturday Skin, not anything crazy. Ooh, super, super pretty packaging. So this is the packaging, and if you notice the bottom right here, this can pop off because it's a false bottom. So it doesn't go all the way down to here. I'm assuming it stops like up here, but yeah. let's open this up. So it's got a little stopper. Doesn't have a smell to it, but it is just, you know, like an actual water cream. I'm excited about that. I love a good water cream. That is the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream, $39, which is a little pricey, but next let's pull out this. This is the Ritual of Sakara. Celebrate each day as a new beginning. Okay, what is it? Sensational foaming shower gel with organic rice milk and cherry blossom. This is a weird container for a shower gel. I thought it was like a hairspray or dry shampoo or hair item. It says, in Japan, the annual flowering of Sakura has been celebrated for centuries and symbolizes the beauty of life. Make each day feel like a new beginning. Can I like spray this out and see what it does? I don't want to spray it, but I'm curious. Is this, like this intrigues me. You get 6.7 fluid ounces, and let's see how much that retails for. The Ritual of Sakura Shower Gel. $9.50. That's not a terrible price at all. I'm just very intrigued on the packaging. Let's pull out the next thing, which is QMS Meta Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector Lip Serum. What? What's a lip serum? How do you... So it looks like this on the top. This is what it looks like. And I'm trying to like push it because you'd think it's a push because look, that's what the top looks like. But when I push it, it doesn't do anything. I am so confused. Does it pull off? Okay, it twists up. So it's just a serum, but for your lips. I'm super, super confused. Let's see what this looks like because... Okay, so it's just like a milky white serum. I mean, it's a basic serum. Doesn't have a smell or anything. And it's just, you know, like a hydrating serum. Let's see what it says. That's all in different languages. Okay, well, that's all in different languages, and I can't read the back of it. So let's see what this has to say. It retails for... Is this a misprint? Am I mistaken? Like, okay, let me just read you what this says, and then I'll tell you the retail value because this better be a misprint. It says lip line corrector, formulated exclusively for the upper lip area. Lip line corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles. This high-performance, lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. So it's like this area of the lips to get rid of those wrinkles you get. And it says MSRP, $200. I thought maybe that's a misprint and it's only supposed to be like $20. That says $200 for this little thing. $200 for a lip serum. You guys, I can't. And I just wasted about a third of that on my freaking hand. $200. That is insane. No, who in their right mind would pay $200 for a lip serum? Oh my God, that is insane. Okay, let's move on because that is, I can't, that is too much. Next we have, okay, I've tried this before. This is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser for all skin types. And it's rich in amino acid, gently cleanses face and eyes. This is a really good face cleanser. I do notice though, it's only good if you open it for like 6 months, yeah. And it does go bad quick. Like you have to use it. This has to be the sole face cleanser you're using and you have to use it probably daily to get rid of it, like to use it up. If not, it'll go bad quickly. But this is what it looks like. And you get 150 milliliters or 5 fluid ounces. And this is a really good cleanser. It's very gentle and it smells good. It works great. It didn't break my skin out. I loved it. So I'm happy to have a full size, and that retails for $48. Okay, we're getting to the end. 2 more products. The next one we have is this Green Grass. Okay, I don't know. This is what it looks like. Let's open it up. What does this say? Green Grass, 30% off your first purchase. Use code BOXY30. Okay, and then it's M Green Grass. It's Beach Air, inspired by Greece. What is it? Fragrance number 2. Dry oil spray. Multi-use for body, face, and hair. So I'm not an oil person. I say this in a lot of videos. I just don't do oils in my hair. I feel like it weighs it down. I mean, my hair's looking a little crazy right now, but it always does, let's be honest. I feel like oils weigh my hair down, and I'm not an oil person. I don't like the way they feel in my skin. Let's smell this, because it's supposed to smell, it smells like, it reminds me of lavender. Fragrance notes: bergamot, citrus, white jasmine, Brazilian softwood, heliotrope, and musk. It doesn't smell bad. It smells pretty good. It's just not, I'm not an oil person. So I won't get use out of that. I will throw that into a future giveaway. But let's see how much that retails for. $36. That's a little pricey, but let's pull out the last thing, which I'm probably the most excited about, and this is an eyeshadow palette by Storybook Cosmetics, and this one is in Little Briar Rose. And then on the back it says, once upon a time, there were three sisters who never stopped believing in fairy tales, and they all lived happily ever after. So this is what it looks like. I love their packaging. And then you open it up, and it says, life itself is the most wonderful fairy tale. And then you have a mirror, and then these are the shades. Super, super pretty. Let's do some swatches. Okay, so I did some swatches. And let's go over the shade names. This one is Briar Rose, and then we have Spindle, and then we have Talia, and then Castle, Prince, Grim, Beauty, Woodland, Enchanted, Fairies, Thorn, and Kiss. All very, very, very pretty shades. I love the color palette, or the color scheme in this palette. It's got a lot of like pink and light shades. Super, super pretty though. And I just love Storybook Cosmetics, like their packaging. It is adorable. But let's see how much I'm excited to see how much that retails for, because the 6-pan small eyeshadow palette was $35. Let's see what this one is. Storybook Cosmetics, Little Briar Rose. It says it's a palette. Storybook palette is a magical palette featuring a custom hardcover storybook with a dozen highly pigmented matte, metallic, and pearls. This cruelty-free, long-wear, buttery smooth shadow formula can be used wet or dry. Mix and match to concoct your favorite spellbinding look. $55. So adding 6 more shades for $20 more. I mean, that's not terrible, but it's still a little pricey. But their packaging is absolutely adorable. Let's add up the whole value of this box. The retail value of this box is $476.50. You guys, it's because that QMS lip line corrector is $200. I can't get over it. This box is $50. That is insane. Who would pay $200 for a lip serum? Oh my gosh, I don't understand. But that is everything we got. Let me know what you guys think down below. I love to hear your thoughts and opinions. And if you are not already subscribed, definitely do so. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 times a week. And if 3 times a week is not enough for you and you want to, become best friends and catch up on my everyday life, follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. That is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye!